Hello friends and welcome back to the Tech Legend channel. So friends, today I will talk about ViewSonic new X1-4K Pro and X2-4K projectors. So friend, ViewSonic has announced two new projectors, the X1-4K Pro and X2-4K Pro, designed to elevate the console gaming experience, and the projector deliver images with QHD resolution and lightning fast 120Hz refresh rate, ensuring ultra smooth gameplay and detailed visual on screen large then 100 inches and complementing the native 4K UHD visual performance. Built-in Harman Kardon speaker provides cinema quality sound, and the integrated Google TV provides seamless access to a broad spectrum of streaming options, creating a truly impressive and all-encompassing home entertainment experience. And the projector elevate gaming impression for to unprecedented level. This model offers QHD resolution at 120Hz refresh rate and enabling stunning smooth gameplay with clarity on screen larger than 100-inch and ultra-low 4.2 ms input lag and 240Hz refresh rate at 1080p resolution allow competitive gamers to fully engage with the action and experience every movement the unmatched precision and responsiveness. And with the 0.65-inch DMD chip of high native concentration, and the projector bring the darkest scene to life with exceptional clarity and depth and allowing user to enjoy every detail. Additionally, paired with built-in Harman Kardon speaker, the X1 4K Pro and X2 4K Pro deliver theater quality sound, transforming every gaming season into a cinematic experience. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.